Thank you so much for coming, and welcome to our 4th annual Blizzard Bag event.
Today is our Blizzard Bags packing. It's an annual event that we pull together to be able to pack and store an extra week's supply of food that we can send home with the kids if there's an unexpected weather event that's going to have schools closed for multiple days.
Last year, you all helped pack 932,000 items of food into over 100,000 bags. So yay you, this is just extraordinary.
The volunteers are absolutely amazing. We get a routine going, we've got the assembly line going, and the fact that they love what they're doing and they do it with a smile on their face while we're doing it is really what makes the camaraderie great.
Twice a year we all get together and we take a day of action, and then it's a way of giving back to the community while having fun and getting together, and just make sure that we give back.
It's rewarding to be able to help those kids, and it's overwhelming the need. So it's a privilege to be able to do that for the kids.
Thank you so much on behalf of the children and from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your generosity.